Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shippo for e-commerce labels, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Shippo website at www.goshippo.com. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements indicated. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Shippo. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Shippo website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a brief onboarding process. During onboarding, fill in the required business details such as your company name and address. Connect your e-commerce platform by selecting from the listed integrations. Follow the prompts to authorize Shippo to access your e-commerce account. Set up your shipping preferences by choosing carriers and package types. Add a payment method for purchasing shipping labels within your account. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features and tools. You are now ready to start creating and managing your shipping labels with Shippo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.